Leadership is not about going to an angry and frustrated people and saying, you should be even angrier and more frustrated. And you should be angry and frustrated at each other. And if I can get enough of you to be angry and frustrated at the other group of people, you're going to vote for me and I'm going to win. That is not leadership. That is not leadership. You know what that is? That's called demagoguery. And it's dangerous. Because it doesn't solve problems and it divides us. You know where it leaves us? Where we are today. A nation where people literally hate each other. Because they're voting for different candidates. Because they're from different political affiliations. Because they disagree about our tax rate. You have people that now hate each other. And it leaves us incapable of solving problems. And we're running out of time to solve these problems. And how do we find ourselves in this position? It begins, I believe, because of the disintegration of our culture. We have a culture today where what used to be wrong is now considered right. My whole life I've been told being humble is a virtue. And now being humble is a weakness, and being vain and self-absorbed is somehow a virtue. My whole life I've been told, no matter how you may feel about someone, you respect everyone because we are all children of the same God. And now being respectful to one another is considered political correctness, and therefore goes too far. My whole life I've been told these things. We've been taught these things. And it is through these things, not laws, that we are able to coexist. It is through these rules that govern our interaction with one another that we've been able to coexist without a need for government regulations in every aspect of our life. We don't need government regulations in this country to tell us to contribute time or money to charity. Our faith has taught us this.